Organisations are under increasing pressure from regulators to collect complete and meaningful safety information with a focus on post-approval studies, including patient support and market research programs. In this short video, we'll see how, by using Reportum, this complete collection can be achieved whilst streamlining the activities that drug safety departments carry out on a daily basis. In this example, we'll show how a nurse working on a patient support program will use Reportum to record adverse events in a structured manner directly from their patients prior to the automatic transfer of the completed report to the pharma company's database via E2B. The system is multilingual and allows nurses to self-authenticate so that they're presented with the appropriate questions for their specific program or programs. In this particular scenario, the pharma company has also linked the Reportum application to a third-party learning management solution. This fulfills another regulatory requirement by ensuring that their nurses are appropriately trained in all required areas before allowing them to submit reports. Once a nurse has completed all required training, they can then search through previous reports or simply log a new report. They are then guided along a journey and through a series of questions that have been pre-configured by the pharma company to help in the collection of the relevant information. This will include collecting the suspect product, which in this example program is MyMeds&Me, only requiring the nurse to provide the details of the event itself. All the information collected throughout the journey will be coded to the appropriate med return on transfer to the safety database. The red validation summary makes it clear which pieces of mandatory data are required before the report can be submitted, thus ensuring that meaningful data is collected every time. The nurse then provides details on the patient, including patient ID where appropriate, date of birth and gender, as well as the reporter of the adverse event, who might be the patient themselves, a family member, or another healthcare professional. At any point they can jump backwards or forwards through the journey using the hyperlinks at the top. The nurse is encouraged to provide any extra information they may have about the event, such as seriousness and outcome, as well as additional information on the product, including national drug code and lot or batch numbers, which will help identify any potential counterfeiting and/or manufacturing issues. The system can de-challenge and re-challenge, as well as capture related causality. The nurse can then advise of any other medication the patient may be taking, or any other medical conditions they may suffer from, before reviewing all of the collected data, attaching any appropriate documentation, and then submitting the report, which will do one of several things depending on the desired workflow. It can apply a client-specific workflow to send the report for additional review or potential translation of free text, or simply send the data directly via E2B to the safety database. Configuration within Reportum ensures that the collection methods and subsequent processes meet the needs of the pharma company. To find out more, please visit the MyMeds&Me website.